The Wallhack SP-004A gaming mousepad uses a modern, micro-etched glass surface that feels extremely fast while still letting you stop the cursor exactly where you intend. Its medium rectangular footprint gives low-sensitivity players plenty of horizontal room without overwhelming a compact desk setup. The tempered glass build, reinforced backing, and grippy silicone base make it feel rock solid under heavy flicks and protect it from warping or cracking in normal use. Because the surface does not absorb sweat, dust, or oil, you can restore a like-new glide with a quick wipe instead of dealing with fabric wear or embedded grime. Tracking feels consistent across the entire pad, so aim transitions and micro-adjustments stay predictable, whether you're playing tactical shooters or fast-paced arena titles. Despite being a rigid glass pad, it is slim enough to move between setups, making it a strong option for competitive players who travel to events or practice in multiple locations.